You can perform some basic water testing each week to help keep your pool water healthy and clear. These easy tests can be done in just a few minutes' time. The first thing to do is gather a water sample from your pool. Be sure to rinse the water container that you were using out with pool water and then dip some water from the pool. The water sample should be taken below 18 inches or so. Use a good quality test kit, one that tests for pH, total alkalinity, and combined chlorine is best. pH should be maintained at a range between 7.2 and 7.6, alkalinity at 80 to 120, and total chlorine somewhere around 2.0 parts per million. The first test that you do is a pH test. Fill the water to the top of the line of the large vial side. Be careful to get the water exactly to the line. Add a drop of chlorine neutralizer. That's the bottle labeled number 4. Then, add 5 drops of solution number 2. Invert the bottle completely when you squeeze out the drops. Place the cap on the vial and shake gently to mix. When you compare the color to the colored chips on the test kit, you can determine if the pH needs to be adjusted. In this case, it is a little high. Time to test the chlorine. Add pool water to the smaller vial exactly to the line. Next, add 5 drops of solution number 1. Once again, be sure the bottle is completely inverted when adding the drops. Shake the resulting mixture and compare the color to see if an addition of chlorine is needed. The last test you want to do is determine the total alkalinity of the water. The total alkalinity is the pH buffer. Keeping it in check will help the pH of the water from fluctuating. This test involves using the large vial again, but this time fill it with pool water just to the first line. It is about halfway up the tube. Use the chlorine neutralizer. Then, add a drop of solution number 5. The water instantly turns blue. Now, slowly add drops from the solution bottle labeled number 3, counting as you go. At some point during this process, the sample will turn color from blue to clear. Stop adding the drops at this time. Multiply the number of drops used by 10 and you have your alkalinity value. In this case, it took 9 drops, so the alkalinity is 90. Our tests are done. The pH was high, the chlorine was good, and the alkalinity was spot on. Since the pH tested a little high, we're going to add some muriatic acid to bring it down. Be very careful when handling pool chemicals and always add them separately. So, to lower pH, we add muriatic acid. To raise pH, add soda ash. To lower alkalinity, add muriatic acid. And to raise alkalinity, add sodium bicarbonate. These very basic tests will help you maintain a clean and healthy environment for everyone who uses the pool.